Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Muizo, and right here I'm starting a new channel on YouTube to give back to YouTube for learning from YouTube. Over the years I have been a beneficiary of YouTube tutorials basically, but there's a myriad of tutorials on YouTube. You get confused sometimes, so I have to say I have been confused a lot of times, and I had to go register to some patrons just to have some clarity. I'm just trying to give back to the platform that has been responsible for my growth over the years. So on this channel I will be discussing, or will be experimenting and exploring and practicing so many interesting cool stuff. Now I'm talking about animation, which is basically that 2D animation and After Effects animation, and some more important core animation principles that may be hazy and unclear to some people because of the confusion in several tutorials. I'm not saying I am a pro. Like I said, YouTube is my platform for learning. This channel will explore some principles that have been taught on YouTube and elsewhere, and we'll try to make sense of most of the principles and theories and practice and processes and methods. For instance, now, so one of my challenges growing the YouTube channel, learning from YouTube, was practicing everything most people say on YouTube. I had to learn how to draw, right? And after learning to draw wasn't easy because we have so many processes. Some people believe that you have to make a clear statement first. Some people prefer to use the Asaro method to draw their head. There is this other one that teaches you have to draw a T shape and a mask to get the eye correctly. Then aside from that, there's another one that says you have to draw 3 circles to get the eye proportion right, so that you can maintain consistency in shape angle. But when you learn all these things together on YouTube, you get confused when you start applying. They start conflicting. Your brain starts saying, no, this is what you should use. At the point you have to calm down. So this channel is where we calm down and explore clarity. So I'm working on Doctor Strange. Now, if you look closely, if you have been following the video, I know it's very fast. It's not meant for you to follow. The video I'm doing right now, you can notice that I erase a lot. Like I constantly erase. You see what's going on there? And the YouTube principle and methods conflict. It's not easy, but I have to sieve out some redundancies just to make sense of what I'm doing. Alright, so as you can see, I'm trying to do this idea of keeping curve to straight lines, just so that your character is more interesting. I don't want to just do straight lines, and it doesn't make sense. So right here, I'm trying to keep my shape interesting. Okay. Then the fingers, there are different people with different styles. They do this in your style. Well, the way I learned, I didn't even have a style. I have to say, I don't have a style, because I believe that with all these things, it's just a matter of deciding to say, oh, I want my drawing to be blocky, or I want them to be dynamic. Again, I'm not a professional at this. Okay, together we can learn together. I'm inviting you to my channel so that we can explore these theories together. So there are different methods of painting that I've observed, but right here I'm trying to do the shadow first and then put the color in. And to an extent I get it, but I have to confess I don't get it like 100%. So we keep exploring that until we get it together. Right? So right here, as you can see, I input the shadow, but there's a process where you convert that shadow value to color. Right? I didn't do much here because I couldn't make up my mind. Do I do flat coloring or do I do detailed coloring? All in all, the goal here is to keep the character at least a little, should look like Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange. Sorry, we'll be playing too. So it's gonna be. I want it to be a one-on-one kind of affair. If you have to chat up in this comment section, you can comment. I'll reply. That body. If you are studying this alone, just know that you have a body, because I'm doing it alone and I know it's very difficult to do this alone. I'm like you. If you are still learning on your own, I am learning on my own too. It's just that we can share our knowledge together and clear out some confusions that we get on YouTube, so that we can all make sense of it. By the way, the channel is not only going to be talking about painting and drawing. We're also going to be talking about illustration and animation, and that's After Effects animation and 2D animation. We're going to be using Adobe Animate to kind of explore our animation prowess. I'm a junkie when it comes to tutorial. Like I said, I spend a lot of time on YouTube, so I basically know a lot of things that I need to build confidence on. Anyway, so as you see, I don't know how. Wow, you look at the drawings, it's making sense. We're getting somewhere right now. It's all trial by error, I must confess. But yeah, we will make sense of this, and the knowledge will stick, and then we'll call ourselves professionals. Oh, so I'm going to try to upload every Tuesdays and Fridays, right? And if I use any resource, I will also put it there in the link so that you can check it out. Resources are basically some YouTube videos that you may not know exist out there. I actually have real-time information without bloopers, right? So because I believe that most people that do video intend to sell their courses or patrons, and they feel like if I give it all out, nobody will pay. So they hold it back, get you confused. You have to ask questions and pay to get the answer that they created, the confusion they created for you. All in all, if I'm being sincere, this is not a professional platform. We're only trying to get professional here. This is a channel for you out there if you feel you're alone in your creative journey and you need to communicate with someone who I also have an Instagram handle where I dump all my experiments. That's all of my experiments. I mean, animation, graphics, illustrations, paintings, field animations, good animations. So you can follow me. I'll put it on the screen there, and also, yeah, that's it. I will see you guys some other time. Keep on keeping on. That is not my saying. I just like the sound of it. See ya. Please subscribe to my channel. I really am tired of doing this creative thing on my own. I would like to have a community where we discuss the challenges and we share resources, ideas, and inspirations. Thank you.